Chasalo Tripura Good Governance Department Luwajijakma by Palaijakha Observance of Good Governance Day. Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Chief Secretary Gitte Sinha DGP Anurag Dankar Good Governance Secretary Kiran Gitte Akosng.
Asal ni pandani bisingte kaini katal website singgiri ka Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha abai kini good governance ni bizabo Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha ni yagromoi abani yaglona asal ni pandano te kokshaka Hasteni Mantri Okra.
From outside we think that it has been done, but who is doing and how it is doing. Now, if we read it, then we can understand. But behind the screen, who is the master and who are doing all these things. I'm really thankful to Mr. Sectary. And a critical infrastructure intervention to support industrial development is one such example. Tripura's good governance journey has earned recognition beyond the state. As per the deliberation in the 72nd plenary session of the Northeast Council under chairmanship of Union Home Minister Saha, I was given the responsibility as the convener of the high-level task force on investment promotion in the Northeastern region. In consultation with other 7 states, we formulated a unified, analytical, and actionable industrial investment policy for the Northeast. And this report received wide appreciation from Union Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia and all the chief ministers. I still remember virtually he stood up and gave us, not to me, entire team, a big salute he has given to us. In fact, report prepared by Tripura is used as model template for all task forces under. Here it is written under other, for all the task forces under other chief ministers. This clearly indicates enhanced administrative capacity and growing credibility of Tripura as a policy leader in the Northeastern region. With good performance also come increased responsibility again. If you do more work, there will be more work would be given. This is the problem with us. So no problem. So due to excellent work by the task force on investment promotion, I was also made convener of one more task force on infrastructure and logistics in November 2025. So once again, our team of officers, actually I don't do anything. My officers, I am really proud of my officers that as and when necessary, they rush like anything and make everything is possible. So this time also they have done. Our team of officers worked in close coordination with other states and central agencies to come up with very valuable report on development of infrastructure and logistics in Northeast region within just 2 months. Just imagine. And it was given, this task was given to our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. And he said that he would be somewhat busy during election. So day before yesterday came here. He told me that I told him so that you can bear this responsibility.
Asal pada Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Chief Secretary Sinha DGP Anurag Dankar Good Governance Secretary Kiran Gitte Akosng. Bureau Report Chini Khorang.